Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to share that the work that we finished in that Hyundai Sonata 2015, and this is the one that we mentioned in the other video, that it has the faulty screen for the reverse camera, the green screen only for the reverse camera, and now it's fully set up with our new premium 7-inch system, which has wireless and USB Apple CarPlay here, wireless and USB Android Auto, very fast and very smooth. On the screen you see it is wireless Apple CarPlay running with our iPhone is on the bottom, and it also has the premium function, which actually has the 4G SIM card internet system ready anytime if the owner wants to use the internet directly from here. It is fully connected to the steering wheel control all of this, and when I press those buttons, it controls the steering wheel. You have all of those buttons, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 buttons on the steering, works well, and it is fully connected to the USB down there, which actually you see that the factory USB there. And also we have another USB fit nicely inside the glove box and securely fit, not throwing in. We actually have connected and tune up the sound system. So currently the head unit has a very strong amplifier inside the premium version, and it boosts up the sound like the rear strong amplifier was fitted into the car, and it will make the owner very surprised and happy with the new sounds performance. The last thing I want to mention is that we fit in the new camera that we normally use, the Full HD anti-glare Super Night Vision 1, at the same factory location, and make it looks like factory fit. So just come out and have a look. So this is our camera. Okay, so sorry, I don't want to go down further to show the number plate. So you definitely see that is the new camera. Yeah, the car still have the Victoria number plate on. Yeah, and that is our camera. So it fits perfectly there at the same factory slot, and it works beautifully. So just have a look here. You will see how the camera actually turns on. Okay, you put it in reverse and you see it instantly turn on the reverse camera, and you can see that at the bottom is the white part of the rear bumper bar, which we already adjust to that to show minimum level of the bumper bar to make it better for the screen view. And on the screen it is the camera, okay, the camera that we always be proud of. So it will help you to see very clear thing at the back. Okay, that's very extra detail of the new camera. So yep, instantly it moves back to the wireless Apple CarPlay screen, and instantly it moves into the reverse camera, which is definitely a pleasure to drive now and safer. Okay, so it's all about, and yeah, we would like to say thank you again for watching. And you definitely see the last function that I just turn on and off. It is automatically dimming the screen when we turn on and off the headlight. Okay, that's about, and see you soon in